What's wrong?
The heart of the forest is missing. Without it, the magic will fade. We need your help, Mia.
I'll find it. Where should I start?
I saw something glowing near the crystal stream.
Thanks, Bella. I'll check it out. Felix, have you seen the heart of the forest?
I saw a trail of golden sparkles leading to the enchanted caves. But be careful. The wind sprites love to play tricks.
Got it. I'll be careful.
If you want the heart, you must solve our riddle.
I love riddles.
I shine in the night, but fade in the day. Without me, darkness stays. What am I?
A star.
Wait. To return the heart, you must pass one more test.
What kind of test?
You must prove your kindness and bravery. Just ahead, a lost creature waits, in need of your help.
Oh no. Don't worry, little one, I'll help you.
Thank you, Mia. I was so scared and alone.
You're never alone in the magical forest. Let's go home together.
You have shown true kindness and courage, Mia. Because of you, the magic of the forest will never fade.
Hip hip hooray for Mia, our brave hero.
And for our new friend, the little dragon.
I'll always protect our magical home.